Okay. Back to what I was saying. This is our first snowfall in a couple of years. This is as much as we had in years. Since 2010, we had 2 blizzards back to back. The car now, as we were at Walmart, it was covered with snow. White ground, still snowing until about 11 a.m. today. So, trees are covered. Wish we had this on Christmas, but fortunately, we didn't have it on Christmas. It sucked. Christmas pretty much didn't look like Christmassy. I don't know where everybody else is, but I know my best friends in Michigan's got snow. I don't know about other people around Delaware, but I know Delaware does have snow. So, this is our yard for now. It's going to freeze overnight. It's going to drop down to the 30s, maybe the 20s, maybe the teens. Not sure. The roads are slushy, nasty. One car was spun out on coming home. Gotta be very careful in this stuff. It's very messy. So, somebody driving through it being cautionally prepared. And I'm gonna go all the way out here so you can see the highway, see our little road. I'm out here with no jacket, so if I get sick, I'm used to it. This ain't good for my tablet, but hey, we'll clean it up and keep it from freezing. Anyways, this is a slushy highway. This is what it used to look, well, 2010 it didn't look this way because the 2 blizzards back to back. We had 32 inches of snow in 2010. 32 inches of snow was bad. Could not get out, could not do nothing. We were in a state of emergency. You'd leave your yard, $500 fine. That's how bad it is here in Delaware. So any of my friends that watch this on YouTube and know that I live in Delaware, please, if you come to Delaware when it's snow, don't drive. So everybody from Delaware, I'd like to say I love you all and hope you all stay safe. Peace.